In this lecture, we are going to look at the following properties which control the sizes of elements: height, width, mean width, max height, max width, margin, padding, and visibility. Width, height, their mean and max relatives are exposed by the framework element class. These properties are of double type. If an element doesn't have height or width explicitly set, then their default value will be double, not a number. In order to get their real height and width, you may want to check actual width and actual height properties, which are going to be set right after the arrangement step. Margin property is also defined by the framework element. Margin's type is a special type thickness, which internally stores 4 values of type double. This property specifies how much space should be between the outer borders of the element itself and its neighbors. Padding property is exposed by the control class. It's also of type thickness. Padding is the same concept as margin. The only difference is that padding defines the space between borders of the element and its inner content. The visibility type is exposed by the UI element class, and it means that all UI elements can be visible, collapsed, and hidden. These 3 values can be assigned to this property. The visible value does not require any explanation. But what is the difference between collapsed and hidden values? At the measurement step, collapsed elements will set its desired size to 0. Thus, such elements don't occupy any space and stay invisible. They don't take part in a layout process. On the contrary, hidden elements retain their original size. They participate in the layout process, though they're invisible too. Let's look how all these properties work in practice.